And I forgot I didn't finish it. The first thing you're going to know, 18 ounce, sometimes they come in 24 ounce, sometimes they come in many sizes. This is 18 ounces. Now we're sitting at about roughly half. If you're heavy-handed like myself, you're going to want to calculate each spot at which you are using your body scrub. Don't mind my knee. And the thing about Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub coming in a variety of scents, they're pretty spot on with their scents. Lavender smells spot on like lavender, the kind that burn your nose. I'm gonna take a finger and get around each crepe because I don't like to waste. So right now, this is what we have on one singular finger. Very abrasive. That's just a few motions of the hand right there. About this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub of any kind, there are some, and I don't want to say half of them, there are some that will have the scrub particles and then you see the sheen underneath, that's oils. A lot of Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrubs are formulated with oils. This one just so happens to be formulated with coffee Arabica oil in the Velvet Coffee. There are a few others, Tahitian Vanilla Bean. Oof, if I'm not mistaken, a few of those that came out of 2021, a whole summer collection. There are some that are benefit-based, such as Tree Hut Tropic Glow, which I've also tried, their scrub. That's benefit-based, based on firming your skin and firming and toning things. So you're asking yourself, what is a benefit-based body care product? It's a body care product formulated with the intention of it benefiting either one specific part of your body or just doing one particular thing for all of your external body parts, wherever you apply. Tree Hut Tropic Glow is based on firming and toning your skin. It's also a bum cream scrub dupe. Real close, I've heard. I've yet to try the original. Anytime that you have a benefit-based Tree Hut scrub, firming, toning, lightening, it's not likely to have an oil-based sheen underneath, nor formulated with oils. And you can check the ingredient list. I've found that to be pretty consistent with the ones I've tried that are benefit-based versus the ones that are just, you know, it's all for the scent aesthetics. Now, what you want to do with those that are oil sheen-based, those are ones that are going to pack the moisture in because of the oil, but then they're also going to be the ones that are, you're going to have to do some extra work to rinse that off your skin. With the ones that are benefit-based, Tone the Skin, Tree Hut Tropic Glow, I just named the other one. You're still going to have to do some work to rinse that off, but you won't have that shiny oil layer underneath the sugar crystals that make up the scrub. Now, once you're in the shower with Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub, what I do, it depends on what your agenda is for that one particular session of your shower routine. I know you're like, what are you talking about? So come to the lab.